friends, welcome to She's At It Again. My name is Tanya and we are going to be making an appetizer today, and it only has 3 ingredients. That's right, you might or might not have these in your kitchen right now, but after you see what these are, how simple they are, and actually how good they are for you, you might want to run to the store and get the ingredients. So let's go over and I'll show you how. Okay, I'm hoping you can see this. So first thing we want to start with is kielbasa, smoked sausage, anything, but what you want to make sure it says, down here it says no nitrates or nitrites added. That's what you want to look for. This is considered uncured, and this is a pretty good brand. I bought this before and I don't have any complaints about it at all. All right, so let's see if we can open the package like they want me to, or I'll just open the package like I know how to do. Yeah, we're gonna open the package like I know how to do. Got the bottom of it. So this, Mandarin oranges, and you can buy the kind in a can or in a jar, that's perfectly fine, just drain them really well. And then you can use fresh pineapple if you want to, but I have this jar of pineapple chunks and this will work just fine. I actually have some fresh in the refrigerator, but I didn't think about it when I was cutting it, or I would have made the pieces in little uniform sizes, but I'm just willy-nilly hacking it all to pieces just to get something out of it. All right, I have a little over 40 Mandarin oranges, so I'm going to see how many slices I can cut this into, and I normally cut them at a diagonal because the pieces look larger, but they're not really larger. They're just cut at an angle. Okay, that makes about 14 pieces. So I just want to briefly show you how to make a few of them, and you've got sense to know that, you know, you just multiply that by the whole batch. Here's the other key too. We got these little toothpicks like this. You do not want the kind with the little frilly top on it. I have some of those. I think those are called cocktail toothpicks, and I use those for cold appetizers and things if we do a party or something, or I help cater something. But you don't want to use it in this because these are going to be baked in the oven. All right, so the first thing we want to do is, I don't know how many of these pieces are in here, but I am going to cut this. It looks like this, but I'm going to cut it in half because you don't want so much of one product on there that it kind of overwhelms it. All right, first thing you're going to put your toothpick in is the Mandarin oranges, then into the pineapple, and then into the smoked sausage. How cute is that? That's all the ingredients. That's all there is. There's no sauce on this. There's no gluten on this. So unless somebody is allergic to whatever's in this smoked sausage, which isn't a lot other than pork, beef, some spices, a little bit of sugar, garlic, celery powder, vinegar, rosemary, they can pretty much eat these. So we're just going to do kind of an assembly line process here. And I've done hundreds of these for parties, and it's not so taxing on you, you know, because you're having to slice up something that you get tired of doing it. I need to slice up several of these though. Okay, so you get the idea. I'm just going to be quiet Keep doing these, and you can enjoy the music as you watch me finish this batch. Then I'll cook these off tonight. All you're going to do is just put these in the oven when you're ready to serve them. Put them in the oven at about 350 for maybe, I don't know, 20 minutes or so, just till they get hot. And you want the smoked sausage nice and hot, and the fruit flavors will kind of, it's almost like tropical fruit juice going down into that smoked sausage. These are just so good. Kids love these. I've never met anybody that said, oh, I would never eat that. So just know, if you serve these at a party, they're going to be a big hit. And they're going to say, what did you put on that? Nothing. Nothing. Pretty much what you see is what's in it. Just those ingredients. Okay, enjoy the music. We'll get busy making the rest of these. Okay, I just want to show you what these look like before I stick them in the fridge. Now, you're obviously not going to be able to put a cover on these because the toothpicks are way too long. These are appetizer toothpicks. These aren't just the kind that you would normally, hand to somebody after eating barbecue or something. These are appetizer toothpicks, but I showed you the package so you know what they look like. So these, I didn't even use 3 of those 4 sausages that I had in that package. So this goes a long way, but these are going to be so good. I'll show these to you when we take them out of the oven just so you can kind of get an idea of, I don't know, what they look like hot. Can you tell difference if they're hot? You think they're so cold, things are hot. Anyway, this is going to be our appetizer for tonight, but I'll show you what they look like in a bit. I hope you give these a try. I'm going to put the recipe in the description, but I mean, it's 3 ingredients. I think you can remember that. So anyway, we'll be back. Okay, this is what our little appetizers look like. Isn't that too cute? These are going to be so good. We're going to eat these and then we're going to eat something else yummy. So there you go. Plain and simple. 3 ingredient appetizer. How fun is that? So thanks for joining us. We look forward to sharing something again with you real soon. Bye, guys.